based on my internet research. It may not be 100% accurate.
Hey YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. It's me Universe Collector. In today's video we will talk about a beautiful fitness model. People are often amazed to see the beauty of this fitness model. What do you think about this beautiful fitness model? Tell us in the comments. And if you have come for the first time on the channel and you have not subscribed the channel yet, then press the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon to see more new videos like this. And now we come to the video. Who is Lauren Simpson? Starting as an underweight, anxious of his worker to becoming a WBFF Pro beginning model, Lauren Simpson has developed arguably one of the greatest female physiques in the modern times. During high school, she was keen sportswoman playing netball, touch football, athletics and swimming. However, it was not until she was 25 that she found her passion for fitness. Biography. Born and raised in Sydney, Australia, Lauren was always very active as a child. She regularly took part in her school's netball, touch football, and athletic teams, enjoying the competitive nature of sports. After graduating from college at the age of 20, she got her first job as an HR coordinator in a financial advisory firm. Over the next 4 years, Lauren found herself stuck in a boring corporate environment. And so she began working out in the gym for a change of pace. Lauren fell in love with working out, but she did not know how to get the most out of her training. She had no knowledge of nutrition or bodybuilding. She was only training cardio and eating around 1000 calories a day. A dangerous strategy, but Lauren was desperate to get into shape. Although she had the right motivation and drive to reach her goal of sculpting her dream physiques, her diet and lack of knowledge was letting Lauren down. She was not eating enough to fuel her body and starting suffering from anxiety after becoming seriously underweight. She had taken fitness to an unhealthy extreme and was a mess, both physically and mentally. But this was not all. She also missed out on numerous social events and her relationship with friends and family broke down. Lauren knew that she had to change her way to get her life back on track. Turning point and starting off fitness journey. By the time she was 24, toward the end of 2014, she had finally taken her first steps toward recovery and began researching different personal trainers to help her overcome her issues. This was to be a key turning point in her life, kick-starting her journey in the fitness industry. It was not long until Lauren had hired a coach and was tough about proper nutrition. She began following a balanced diet and lifting weights. She was finally gaining shape, making a beeline toward her ideal shape. Going viral. After making serious program in the gym under the guidance of her personal trainer, not only did Lauren manage to reach a healthy weight, but she had sculpted a very aesthetic physique. But she was not finished yet. Proud of her transformation, she began posting pictures of her journey on her Instagram profile. Before she knew it, Lauren uploads had gone viral and she was suddenly an online sensation. Moved by all of the encouragement she received from her mass of followers, Lauren stepped up her training to develop an even better body. She became aware of fitness competitions through social media and began researching them, gaining a newfound respect for the competitors. After admiring the profile of such beginning athletes as Paige Hathaway and Michelle Lewin, she soon found herself hungry for the stage, fitness competitions and pro card. After months of intense preparation, Lauren was finally ready for her first contest, the INBA Southern Cross Championship in April 2015. She walked away with the trophy, as well as the overall title. All of her hard work paid off. But this was just the beginning. That same month, Lauren placed first and took home overall title in the 2015 INBA Sydney Super Body Show. However, that was not her only achievement of the night. She had won her pro card at the age of 25. 2 years after beginning her journey, she had made her dream of becoming a professional beginning athlete a reality. Life as a professional beginning athlete. Lauren's success in her first couple of competitions only made her hungry for more. 4 months after her victory at the INBA Sydney Super Bodies, she entered her first show as professional, the WBFF Fitness and Fashion Gold Coast. Although she did not continue her winning streak, she was still placed in the top 3 in a fiercely contested bikini diva tall with the likes of Rachel Dillon. Lauren Simpson thoughts. Lauren said, "It is important to not expect rapid changes overnight. Good things take time. If you put in the work, you will see result." She said, "Make sure you recognize the small goals and accomplishments you will make while working towards your ultimate goals." Lauren said, "I have always led a very active lifestyle and played sports such as netball and touch football comparatively growing up." Lauren said, "I learned that health and fitness should not be about punishing yourself to a point where you are unhappy. I aspire to be fit and strong, but most importantly with my health, happiness, friends and family has first priority." Lauren says, "I became more aware of fitness competitions through social media and was in absolute awe of the bodies of the girl up on stage. To me, they represented months of hard work, dedication and commitment." Lauren says, "I eat pretty plain and simple a majority of the time, but I do love to make my healthy Mexican walls when I am feeling a little fancy." Lauren said, "I am very self-motivated and I found that it is my desire to succeed and continuously improve that drives my motivation." Lauren said, "I have changed my life for the better and this is a lifestyle approach I am able to happily maintain. I am a more confident person, have loads of energy and have a very positive outlook towards everything I do." Training. Lauren weekly training routine is split into 3 lower body and 3 upper body seasons plus 1 full body conditioning seasons. She trains 6 times a week to maintain her incredible physique. She tries to limit cardio unless she is preparing for a competition and instead enjoy going for 1 to 2 walks during the week. She said, "I have also found a love for lifting heavy and find that being strong has been very empowering. I can now squat and deadlifting over double my body weight, which rivals a lot of men in my gym." Nutrition. Lauren follows a balanced diet, planned around lean protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs, timed around her workouts. She attempts to eat clean, whole foods all year round, counting her macros to hit her targets. That's worth it. Idols and influences. Lauren's motivation comes from within, but she names female fitness icons. Peggy Hathaway and Michelle Lewin as her main influences during her career. She also credited her fans for giving her the motivation to better herself throughout her fitness journey. There are fitness girls I completely admire such as Paige Hathaway and Michelle Lewin. However, my main source of motivation comes from within. Instagram. Lauren is best known as an Instagram star. Australian fitness model as well. WBFF Pro behind the brand Lauren Simpson Fitness. At WBFF, she offered online personal training. Simpson has gained her personal journey as well as lifestyle to her 2 million followers. Lawrence has cited Instagram star Paige Hathaway as her biggest motivation to stay fit and her favorite fitness model. Lauren has most fans on Instagram. She retains inspiring her followers. Lauren is amongst one of the trending women on Instagram. Lauren normally shares her workout video, diet video, traveling video and modeling shoots. Lauren has been a face and promoter of numerous brand. She has uploaded 4.3 posts on her Instagram handle. Simpson follows that 1.9k accounts on her Instagram handle. Her Instagram post average like there comes in between 50k to 100k, sometimes less and more. Net worth. Lauren's primary source of income is her career as a fitness model. WBFF Pro behind the brand Lauren Simpson Fitness as well as a social media personality. Through her various sources of income, she has been able to accumulate good fortune but prefers to lead a modest lifestyle. Lauren's net worth is estimated to be between $2 million and $5 million, approx as of 2021, according to Wikipedia. But Lauren has not revealed her net worth. She is a simple person and never likes to attract public attention by publicly displaying her wealth. And now, what we can learn from Lauren Simpson? Lauren had taught us that if you are not happy with your life, then working hard to find happiness is the best way to succeed. She began her journey as an underweight officer worker with a variety of issues. But after many years of intense training, she became a professional bikini athlete. An important lesson we can take away from Lauren's story is to never take fitness to an extreme. She ate around 1000 calories a day and consistently overtrained. This led her to becoming dangerously underweight with no progress toward her goals.
And thank you very much if you are watching our video till now, and if you have come for the first time on the channel and you have not subscribed the channel yet, then press the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon to see more new video like this. And what do you think about this beautiful fitness model? Tell us in the
One shot, give it all you got, and never back down. No, I'm never gonna stop, yeah.